Alright, we're going to look at finding the circumference of a circle. Now, circumference is the distance around the outside. It is how far it is to go all the way around a circle, the perimeter of a circle basically. And the way that we calculate that is with the formula pi times diameter. And diameter is the distance all the way across the circle. So it's as simple as that. This magic number pi, 3.14159, roughly 3 and a bit, this is how much further it is round the outside than across there. What we multiply this by to get this. So all the way around a circle is roughly 3 times further than going straight across. So let's just type that in our calculators. Pi times 15. Now, if you don't have a calculator, your phone should have one. And when you turn it on its side, you get a graphical calculator. And down the bottom there, don't know if you can see that, but there is a little pi button down the bottom there. So that I didn't have my calculator with me. That's what I used. Pi times 15 on a calculator came out as 47.123 and so on. So to round that to 1 decimal place, let's just highlight, there's my 1 decimal place. So 47.1, and then the next number along is a 2. So we keep it the same. So my final answer is going to stay the same, 47.1 to 1 decimal place. And that's the basics of finding the circumference of a circle, pi d. When I need a circumference, I use pi d. Some people will use a formula which is pi times 2 times pi times the radius, and that can be useful if you're given the radius, because I have to double the radius to get the circumference. So here's a second question. Let's have a look at this one. Calculate the circumference and give your answer to 1 dp, decimal place. So pi times diameter, well here I don't have the diameter. The diameter is this length all the way across. But the radius is halfway across, so I just need to double it. Radius times 2 and then times pi. So let's just look at that. Instead of 2, I'm going to use 4 because all the way across is 4. So here we go. Pi times 4 in your calculators comes out as 12.566. Let's round that to highlight what we need to look at to 1 decimal place. So I look at the next digit along. And so 12.5 is going to round up to 12.6. Alright, that's all there is to it. So let's just go back to the first example. Find the diameter, times it by pi. That's the circumference. Thanks for listening.